Now you can put one of three things in a cell: text, a number, or a formula. Formulas are used for calculations for maths. Now for every formula that you type in a cell, it must start with the equal sign. And formulas normally involve what we have called cell references. So we're going to be adding the value of cells together, or subtracting, or timesing, or dividing. Now I've given you instructions on the right here. So add the following formulas into cell E2. So you need, in cell E2, you type in equals A2 plus C2. So let's give this a go. I'm going to click on E2. I'm going to type equals A2 plus C2. I'll push enter, and you'll notice that it says 9 because 3 plus 6 equals to 9. With my addition sign leads to addition. In my next cell of E3, I want to have it 5 minus 2. So I'm going to type the equal sign, and I want to use the cell reference A3. I can actually just click onto it and it will automatically add it to my cell, and I'm going to use the minus symbol, which is the dash, and then I want to subtract C3, so I can just click on that and I'll push enter, and that'll give me 3 because 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Try the next one, which is 15 divided by 4. So in my cell of E4, I'm going to type equals. I will select A4 by clicking onto it, and the division is using the slash key, / next to your right shift key. And then I want to be dividing it by cell C4, so I'm just going to click onto it and push enter. And that's going to give me 3.75. 15 divided by 4 is 3.75. The last one is 3 times 7, so I'm going to type in equals. I'll click onto the cell A5, and I want to use times. Times is using the asterisk key. So this is by holding down your shift key and pushing 8. Once done, I'm going to click on my C5 cell, and that's going to be multiplying. 3 times 7 is 21. Now, if you change any of the numbers in column A or C, it's going to update the value in the E column. For instance, if I change 3 to a 5, push enter, this now equals to 11, because 5 plus 6 equals 11. If I change the 2 over here to 5, the cell is going to automatically update and become a 0. So give it a go and change numbers around.